Guys, I have made a new device called 12-volt chimney for cooking area. See the wiring first. This is a 12-volt adapter, 220 to 12-volt, very cheap in the market, and the wiring goes straight to the plug point. So we are back. This black thread is wire is for fridge, which I have kept it inside. So now this is the only wire which is going to the chimney. And what is this chimney all about? That I will tell you here. 12-volt jack which I have made. This I can take it out. This I can take it out like this. Oh, it's very tight now. This is a chimney which I have made. It is a CPU fan, and what I have done is, this is a this part I got it from some place of it is a cone for wash machine cone, actually very easily available. I was not getting a point how to do this, so this was a point I did. Hereby, this is the place how I did it, and the cutting what I have done here. This is the cutting point. I have put in ties and all. This tie. Now the rest part is here. Now this I will host it here, and the point is there. It's around 3 feet above. So what I'll do is, I will first of all fix it here. Fix it like this. Close the box. Inside, screw it. It's tight. Second part is this, putting it inside, switch it on, and the force of air is very good. Or further to show you something, force of air is like this, see, pushing. That means it is much enough for the exhaust to work. So what I'll do is I'll put our exhaust pipe, which I have brought like this. This is the exhaust pipe which I have brought. This exhaust pipe is costing very less amount. I'll just crumple it like this. See, it's gone. First part is done. Okay, here we are. It is done. This part is done. So if I have to find some air, to see. Aha, full airy. And this I will throw it there. This is my exhaust, and this is what I am planning to. So the video will continue, because now this is outlet. Alright, very easily I have made this one. The chimney 12 volt. You can see I use a CPU fan. You cannot underestimate this fan. It has very good speed, very good speed. Cooling power is too much. It pulls very beautifully. And then the wiring I have done like this, as I showed you. Okay, and this is a place. In the light, in the camera it flickers. It is shown flickering, but actually it is not flickering. Alright, so this was the whole project, which I would like to conclude. The best way of 12 volt chimney, which will not at all eat your electricity bill, and you can run it with solar also. What you just require is a 12 volt socket, that's all. Yesterday I tried to make it. The fan was so fast, I got hurt also. But my enthusiasm did not decrease. I thought, yes, I will do it, and I did it. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this.